AI, C3ai stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Now, big factor here is going to be, probably I'll get some dislikes, but this is not a bullish market for me. And I'm just being very honest with you. Now, who am I to speak? Well, I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years. Tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and mentors. And I'm not saying, listen to me, I'm a wizard. I have everything documented, so I'm not just saying, I'm showing. And with AI stock, the one thing that's going to make me be bullish is a full-on candle close above 2371, right? And if that's not the case, then I'm not going to just like run after it. It's just, okay, and what, right? It's just bearish range. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, then just click the first link in the description. Obviously, we'll continue to keep you updated, but I guess sometimes you got to be patient. And how are we going to be patient? Well, bro, we're going to look at other tickers in the meantime, you know, easy. So stay tuned. And if you want to get free sauce and everything, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.